Today we are going to make the viral Kiss Hoodie for my fiance. This was me the first time I watched it and I freaking loved it. A hoodie couldn't be bought. We are using a sweatshirt since the delivery for the hoodie was taking way longer than I expected. We're creating a rectangle using masking tape, and then I started with the first base of white fabric paint. I messed up a bit, but it's okay. But then I messed up again, so I have to fix it up later. Like I mentioned previously, we have no time, so I'm using my hair dryer to speed up the process, but it still ended up taking time. Once that was dry, I quickly started with the second coat. I literally ran out of paint by the end, but I managed. And we were back to drying. A step that I should have done in the beginning, I double taped it. No more messes. Cannot be covering up. Now comes the fun part. Using red fabric paint to coat my lips and then start the kissing. The paint dries real fast, so I had to work real fast. A question that y'all might have, would the paint cause any harm to my lip? Nope, we can continue kissing because once it dries up, it easily comes off when I wipe it off with water. Another question that I probably might get, what would happen if it is washed by hand or in the machine? No worries. We are going to heat set it the next day using baking sheet and an iron box, and nothing's gonna happen. The most satisfying part, removing the tapes. What about the mess ups? Covering it up with black fabric paint. This is how it looks finally. Fold, add a big bow and give it to him. We are all done.